Namaskaram. Today we are going to learn how to make Garelu from our Ammamma. In some regions, this snack is also known as Chekkalu or Billalu. To begin, take 2 kg of rice flour and add chili powder and salt as per your taste. Mix it well. Next, grind cumin seeds, coriander seeds and garlic into a fine paste using a mixer. Add this paste to the rice flour and mix it thoroughly. Now add overnight soaked black-eyed peas, babbarlu and mix well. For extra flavor, add curry leaves, spring onions and mint leaves and combine everything nicely. Add hot water and mix the dough well. Keep it aside for a few minutes. Then add the required amount of water and start making small laddus from the dough. Shape the Garelu using a press machine, placing the dough between 2 oiled covers to get the perfect shape. This is my first time making Garelu, and I also made some chitti Garelu just for myself. Thank you for watching.